Okay, I'm going to put oil back in this thing and see if it leaks out again. Now I guess I'm going to have to guesstimate how much you put in there. I know one thing, this thing's bone dry. Okay, well, it's not quite up where it should be, so I guess better put some more in it. Now I'm putting Shell Rotella 15W40 in this, so I guess I got it full that time. Look at there. And let's see how much it takes. Finished filling this up. Now I got oil all over my damn hands. I squeezed the bottle and it's coming out, of course. Now I'm going to fill this up just below those threads. Good Lord Almighty. That looks pretty close to me. Good enough. It's just touching the lower threads on that. You watch, it'll come all flooding out. It took a lot of oil. It took this much right here, plus that much out of the container. All right, let me tighten this up. Can't say it's like the wrench, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, I gotta check and see if it's all gonna run out. Okay, that's tight enough. Okay, there's no oil on the end of it, and this thing is full. All right, there's the oil that I put in that jackhammer. Shell Rotella T4 Triple Protection SEA 15W40 engine oil. All right, I got oil in it. Now you can't see it here, so I'm going to have to tilt it up in order to look at it. Okay, you can see oil in the window right there. It's almost all the way to the top of the glass. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and stand it up just like that. I'm going to stand that thing on its tip right here, bungee cord it to this, and I'm going to give it 24 hours and see how much oil runs out of it. I got the nose of it down there in the oil bucket right there. Anything runs out, it'll run in those little ridges right there. And as you can see, it's got full oil in it right there. It's full all the way to the top. There's just one little bubble right up here. So that's full of oil. We got the test set up now to see if it works. This is something else I observed looking at this carrying case. If you notice, here's the carrying wheels you pull it by, and this is the bottom and that's the top. Well, guess which way the nose of that hammer fits in there? The hammer sits in there with a tool opening pointing up. Okay, it sits just like that. The motor sits down here in the handle, and up here is the opening, the neck of it, where you put the tools in. Now, where that thing was leaking was on this end right here. That was soaked. And as you can see, the way they got this case designed, it was meant to sit just like that, with the wheels on the bottom and then the handle at the top. And I think the reason they designed that way is to keep the oil from running out of it. In other words, keep the nose up. Notice the wheels are on the bottom right here? Okay, well, that's about as far as I can take it right now. I'm going to clean up my mess, and then we'll come back out in 24 hours and see how much oil leaked out of that thing. Well, it's been over 24 hours. It's more like 25, so let's see what this thing looks like. Well, right offhand, I don't see any oil leaking out of it. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's all in here. Look, right in here. There's oil all over here. Yep, it's leaking. See that? That's oil. And the level has gone from the top to down to right here. So it's leaked quite a bit. Yeah, right here. There's quite a bit of oil right there. Yep, it's leaking. See it dripping off my finger? All right, well, I'm going to take it back, because it's not supposed to be leaking like that. All right, it's got a problem. Because I filled this right up to here yesterday, and this has already dropped down to right here. Right here, it's leaked that much oil out. All right, yeah, there's something wrong with it. Take it back. Okay, right here you can see the oil. See it? That's quite a bit of oil right there. You see it good right here. Okay, well, you know, that's quite a bit of oil. And right here, you can see that really good right there. See the level of it. See the bubble in it? That's how much it's leaked down. All right, well, that answers that. Got another great product from Home Depot.